Hi, this is Victoria Menina for Cogs 109, homework number 1, problem 8. I'm going to walk you through some of my coding process just so you can see my thinking and how I get things done. So first of all, I've already done number 1 and I'm working on number 2 right now, the basic programming. I've already pulled up my MATLAB code right here. So far all I have is a header and a comment for number 2, basically what I'm trying to do, which is create a block of code that summates every third number starting with 2 under 100. So I don't have a whole lot of experience with MATLAB, and I haven't used MATLAB in probably 4 years now, at least. So the first thing I'm going to do is code this in a language that I'm really familiar with, like C++. So if I was doing this in C, I would start out by creating a variable. And I know that MATLAB, you don't have to do like ints variable. You can just start writing the variable. So we're going to have some third and set it to 0 and then add a comment. And then I want to do a for loop and I'm starting my I at 2 and going until we've reached 100 and incrementing by 3 each time. And then some third is going to be plus equal to I. And so I know in C that's how it would be, but I don't think this is the right way to do it in MATLAB. So I'm just going to look up really quick how to do a for loop in MATLAB. So looking at this, looks like what I should be doing is for I equals 2, and then the second number is how many I want to increment by, and the third number is my max. And I'm going to want to end it, and then here I want some third plus equals I. I'm going to get rid of that and see if that works. No, it doesn't. Alright, I think it's having a problem with this plus equals. I'm guessing you can't do that in MATLAB, so we'll just type the whole thing out and see how that runs. Okay, good. So that looks like it's working. I'm going to move on to number 3, vector operations. So I want to start out by leaving a comment. So for number 3, we're redoing problem 2, but this time by creating an array and performing some vector operation on that array. So first, I recall from our lab section that in order to make an array, we can just basically do what we did up here in the for loop. So 2, 3, 100. So here creates an array starting with 2, incrementing by 3 until 100, or I guess I should say under 100. Okay, and I'm pretty sure in MATLAB there's a sum function. So I'm going to go down here and help sum, post up a little bit. So S equals sum x is the sum of the elements of the vector x. So it looks like I could just do add every third equals sum I. Let's see how that runs. Okay, 1650, 1650. Looks good to me. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope it gave you some insight on how I code, and have a great day. Bye.